Okay, for some odd reason I misplaced my thing went and shut off. So that's not good. So what we're going to be doing is 732 of the Cardinal. This is the one we're working on right here, 732. This one tells me it was in the 732 area. On here it says 732 for the Cardinal. And it's a 20 by 20. It's a square. And this is actually called Paint with Diamonds. That's the company. So everything's out of order here, so I apologize. So here's 934, which is actually a dark green. The drills are pretty clear. And here's 550, which is a purple. I think that's a very pretty purple. And I think 321 is like a cranberry, not actually red. And there is a hitchhiker. And here's some more of those missing ones. Uh, 934 was missing some drills, and I found them laying around every which way in the packaging. Here's 3726, which is like a not sure what color, and it has a hitchhiker. It's like a reddish brown. Here's 3773, which is a very pretty pale peach. I call this periwinkle, although it might not be. It's 157. This one is 666, which is red. And it has a hitchhiker. I'm not sure what the hitchhiker is, but there you go. Here's an olive green. Olive green. That's pretty. That's 371. And here's another. There's a lot of hitchhikers in these. This is 3835. Very pretty, like purple. Each one has a hitchhiker. It's so funny. Tell me you don't see a hitchhiker in there. This is 834, which is a yellow. And I knew, oh, nope, that's the one, 934. What's interesting is 934 was loose in the bag, so it was quite interesting, not to say the least. So, yeah. Here's 3829, which I call like a goldish yellow. I don't see any puckering or anything in it. 948 is like almost like a skin color. It's like a very, very, very light peach. This is more of a beige color, which is 3864 beige. Not sure what color this is, but it's 3861. Taupe, maybe? This one is like a green of, like a grayish green of 844. There's a lot of color to this. This is 317, which is a light gray, bluish gray. 554, which is a light purple or pinkish color. 414, which is a dark gray. 3328, which is like a reddish peach. Sorry, I'm not very good at the colors because I don't have the color book yet, but I will plan on getting the color book when I can afford it. 935, which is a green, a dark green. 939 is one of my favorite colors. It's a dark blue. Not black, it's a blue. 3346 is a dark green. And I found another missing one. It fell onto the ground right here. See? This one is like a rose color, 3688. (947) is a dark orange color. 224 is a pink, like a rosy pink. I would call this light blue. 3752 is like a sky blue, light blue color. And here's more 934. I'm still cleaning up after the little mess they had, which is fun. Well, I don't think they closed the thing tightly. This one has a hitchhiker of a purple color, and that's 301. I'm not sure if that's a light brown or what. 823 is a very pretty blue of some sort. Again, this reminds me of skin color, almost like my skin color, but it's a little lighter than my skin color, and that's 738. 677 is a light yellow with a hitchhiker of a gray. .436 is a brownish peach. 326, which is not very many, is like a cranberry, or no, cranberry. Looks cranberry-ish to me, though it could be strawberry. 3348 is a lime green. .601 is a blush pink, like a dark pink. And 154 is like a brick red, like a brick, you know, a dark red. I think I did this color, but I'm not sure. 3861 I think I did, which is a taupe color. That all goes in this. Now to open it, so you can see what I got, because I actually pulled it out of the baggie, and it's very noisy. It is definitely a double-sided adhesive. And it is true to size, whatever that is. It is a double-sided adhesive, and it's, let go, thank you, true to size. It's very tiny, but you can actually put it in two little areas. I will be rolling this back up on the roller. But this is the canvas. It says 20, it said, I don't know what size did it say. But the drills are good. The drilling area is very pretty. Looks like it would be easy to do. Might be confetti-ish. And it is sticky. So, yeah, I think this one's a good one. Those colors will be very pretty when it goes on. Yep, still sticky. Sorry, I did it backwards, but oh well. Let me fix that. But yeah, I'm actually pretty pleased. It's a small one. The measurement, they say, is 20 by 20. I think it's a little smaller than that even. No, well, it is a 20 by 20. They are actually true to size. So, my thoughts on it, I think it'll be a very easy snack. So, I'm not going to put it back in the thing. I'm going to put it in a different, I'm going to put it in a little, not binder, but a place where it'll flatten out and it'll be ready for me to work on later on. So, overall, the colors are very vibrant, very nice. It's a lot of colors. One thing I'll let you know about Paint with Diamonds is that they, when they do it, I guess they measure it by weight. I don't know. But I will tell you, it did come on this little thing here. It was very tightly wound up. So here's all the colors all together. In order, well, not in order, but pretty much. So you can see them. 939 is actually one of my favorite colors. I have a few. Any blue is my favorite color, to be honest. Any blue. But baby blue and that dark blue is my favorite color. 329 is my husband's favorite color, which is gold. So, yeah. My thoughts on this kit is it might be very fun to do. We'll see. We'll see if there's any popping drills or anything like that. But there you go. That's what's in that. That's what's in that little contraption. So I'll put it back in its little contraption here. A little noisy, sorry. I'm going to keep them in the bags until I'm ready to use them. But yeah, I'm not too fussed about it. I think it'll be a very nice little snack. So that's a 20 by 20. And I'll have to put that away. Another one I got was 29 colors, and this has, and they do have the DMC codes on them. And this is a 20 by 30. And warning, noisy. So I'm pulling it out so you guys can see. It's pretty good. Don't remember what this is, but we'll see. So this one is 512. This one is 1078. Okay, so 512 is this one. So these are right here, the paint with diamonds. Now, I've never dealt with this company before. I have a TSA right underneath them. As you can tell, it's turning out really pretty, by the way. I'll show you very quickly what that looks like. This is how far I got. Come on. Come on. There. This is how far I got. I've gotten pretty far in it. Even though I'm not very fast at drilling a 70 by, yeah. Not very fast at all. So, let's look at the colors before we talk about the painting itself. So, the colors are pretty nice. Has a few of my favorite colors in there. If I get my my diamond paintings from not diamond paintings, but my Tina Mill, I think I will probably put these right here. Come on. Put these right here in with a little of sparklers. Mine. Depends. So what we have here is 799, which is a blue. 414, which is a gray. 451, which is a taupe. Again. It has a lot of different colors. I think it has a weird hitchhiker. Never seen this type of hitchhiker. Dirty looking. Okay, whatever. 353, which is a peach. 336, which is a not sure what type of blue, but it's a blue. It's like a bluish green. 169, which is a grayish green. 159, which I think is a sky blue, but it could be periwinkle. 3840 is like an aqua color. Very pretty. Grayish blue is 160. I see blue in it. That's why I say grayish blue. This has a few hitchhikers of a brown and a red in it. And this is 322, which is a very beautiful blue. As you can tell, I'm saying blue, blue, blue. 930, which is a greenish blue. Uh, 793 is a grayish blue. 224 is like a pinkish peach. Dirty orange is 3778. I call it a dirty orange. Another greenish, it's a dark greenish gray, is 413. This is like a I'm not sure type of green, but it's a dark green. Looks grayish to me too. 3743 is like a very light purplish pink. 3042 is, if you look at this, it's lighter on this one and darker on this one. Here, I'll let you see. They look almost the same, but they're different. And then there's a light purple of 153. 398 is a dark blue of some sort. 931 is a seafoam green in my book. 386 5 is like a off-white. This is a brownish, like a muddy brown in my book. That is 88844. 3799 is like a dark green again, like a forest green, I think. 317 is a gray, a dark gray. 161 is a very pretty blue. I love it. 939, a dark blue. I call it a navy dark blue, midnight blue in my mind. 3825 is like a burnt orange. And 3041, I guess, is like a taupish pink. So that's the colors for that one. And this here, like I said, it's a double-sided adhesive. So it's double-sided adhesive, and it's, they say it's a 20 by 30. We'll see. So these are small snackies for me. I'm starting to get better at doing, the ones I like is 30 by 40s, 40s by 50s. Those are my my comfortable spot in diamond painting. Oh, I love when they do this. Huh. Got ya. Oh my word. That wasn't fun. Yeah, it's definitely double-sided adhesive. Oh my word, look at that. I'm thinking it's, you're looking up at the sky from the trees. But I'm not 100% certain. They say it's a winter wonderland. It's very pretty. I will admit, it's very pretty. Oh. It's supposed to be... This is supposed to be right in here, water. And this part is the trees, and the trees up here. We'll see. It looked different than what I saw. So, yeah. It's very pretty. I'll say that the colors are very vibrant. A lot of grays, purples, several blues. So, yeah, that's what's with this one. It had some hitchhikers, but at least these didn't come apart. So these are the colors that came with it. So I must be looking at this wrong. Oh, so it's up and down. Okay. We do have a legend on it. And we do have the DMC numbers right here, which is 29. And there is definitely 29 of them. So that's pretty good. So that's this one. We have one more Paint with Diamonds. I am not... Like I said, I am not doing these until These are snackies, and these are, they're small. The size is definitely, I'm pretty sure if I take my, my measurement thingy, it's supposed to be 30, pretty close, and 20. So overall, it's not bad. Yeah, 20. So it's not bad. It's actually following suit to the size. So let me wrap this up. And that's done. So we got a second one of these. I'll use them for when I roll them back on the thing. But I'll be rolling them when the drills are on it and it sticks on the drills. As you can tell, I have 29 colors on this one. This one is one I'm really concerned about because this one is actually for my husband. He loves his Panthers. I wanted to do something for his Panthers. So yeah, he loves the animal, not the team. So good. First off, this is what it's supposed to look like. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Look at that. That right there, look. So beautiful. And this is a 20 by 30. I think it will work out. It's small-ish. Well, we already know by the other two that they had it right in the first place, okay? So this is a 30. This is a 20 by 30. And that goes on. There's a legend right here. It shows you the 29. It shows you the 29 colors. There's 29 right there. The symbols are pretty good. There is about, if I count how many symbols, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 symbols, which isn't too bad. Rest is, is letters and numbers. Oh, I hate when they stick like that. Okay, so let's look at the symbols inside. Let's see how it looks. What are you doing?
That had a whole heap of plastic stuff in it that was going for the bin, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tossed it out. Now it's empty.
Oh, cool. Thank you. And right here, as you can tell, when I open it up, you're going to see how brilliant. I would say they are pretty good. They won't give me much trouble because I have very good eyesight. But here's what we got. No rivers. But look how clear those are. Very clear. Every single one of them that I opened is about as clear as this. I think I can definitely tell the Panther. Now, like I said, I'm not going to do it right now because I have so many I have to catch up to. But I did promise myself that I would do some unboxings. So I'm doing the unboxings so you can see what I've gotten. And should have unboxed before. And then we have all these colors. And, I mean, this is pink. This is definitely light pink. This color right here, I know Rebecca would love. It's 819. Purple. Light purple is 554. Hitchhiker of a grayish green. 422 of a goldish yellow. This is a dirty brown. 844. There's going to be a lot of white in this one. It's like an off-white, the creamy white of 3865. And of course, this is also a square. This one is a olive green, a dark green of 535. We have another hitchhiker, which is a wine color red, if I can get it down here. There's a wine color right there. And there's a, I'm not sure if this is taupe or if it's tan. Don't know. This is an dirty purple. Sorry, I know it's not dirty, but what I mean is it's a dark purple. This is a taupe in my mind of 451. This is a light purple of 209. This is a 317 of a gray. This one is a greenish gray of 413. This one right here is 3799, which is probably a dark green. I can't tell. This one is a red and a whatever color hitchhiker in a light purple, lilac color. This is pink, 3727. 963 is a very light pink or a blush pink. 414 is that grayish color. 3860, which is a brownish taupe kind of color. 3861, which is like a pink, a bushy pink color. This is like a lavender, 3042. This is lime, 3348. This is a light yellow of 3047. This is 3743, which is a light purple. 161 is another of my favorite blues. 3363 is a green, and a dark, a lighter green is 3364. So 3363 is a darker green, while the 3364 is a lighter green. 327 is a purple. A light yellow is 3823. But look at those drills. Very, very, very flat. And then a lemon yellow is 3046. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All of them are there. So I'm putting these right back in the little thing here. Paint with Diamonds is the name of the store. I did receive it, so I'm very happy that I received it. They are real small. They are real small canvases, but I think they won't be too busy. So there you go, everyone. Paint with Diamonds. There was 3 of them. I will link the descriptions. I will put the links in my description. Please give me a thumbs up. Please comment. And if you know the colors, please let me know the comments of the colors. Maybe I'm saying them wrong. Maybe I'm saying them right. I don't know. Please subscribe if you haven't. And last but not least, please turn the bell on so you know when I upload another video. Many blessings and shalom.